Hey folks, this is Alan from WeShipFloors.com. Look what we got. Look what we got. Lumberjack pine. We got our lumberjack pine in today, our sample boxes. Look how that's beautiful. You look at that floor. Beautiful floor. I just want to show you something though. Just coincidentally, this is Coretec Plus Carolina pine. Gosh. It's almost like, it's exactly like it. Zoe, can you believe that? It's exactly like it. How on earth did that happen? I'm talking exactly like it. What a coinkydink. Anyway, so you got Coretec, and you know Coretec's gone up, so now Coretec Plus, they're selling this for $3.99 a foot. Can you believe that, people? $3.99 a foot. We've been selling it for like $3.29 delivered forever. Now they're doing $3.99. Okay, here we got SuperCore. SPC, 5 feet long, 4.5 millimeter, over 2,000 PSI ours is. It's even got, look, painted bevel edge. Again, 5 feet long, 7 inches wide. We're selling this for $2.99. $2.99. You can see it at WeShipFloors.com. Y'all have a great day.